Hi there, this is how to change camera aspect ratio on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. It's super simple, just go to camera, find this top toolbar and tap on aspect ratio icon. Now you can choose between 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, square frame or full screen mode. It will capture everything you have on the screen. But if this is not enough, you can use wide angle lens and capture even more. That's it. But in some modes you can't change the aspect ratio. Let me show you. For example, in hyperlapse mode or in slow motion mode, you can use only one lens and one aspect ratio. And this camera remembers the last set aspect ratio. So if I close this camera now and go back again, I still have the full screen mode and have to change it manually if I wish so. So I think this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.